Okay, let's unpack this. You know when you get a routine health check and you get that page of blood test results with all the acronyms like ALT and AST, it can be, well, a little confusing.
It really can.
So today, we're going to cut through that medical fog. We're taking a deep dive into your liver enzymes, those little workers in your blood.
And we're doing it using the guidelines we have right here in the UK to figure out what it all means for your health.
Right.
That's it. And our mission really is to draw on insights from brilliant resources like Blood Test UK. We want to understand the normal ranges set by the NHS.
And more than that, why keeping an eye on these numbers is, such a powerful preventative thing you can do.
Exactly.
So let's start with the basics. These enzymes, ALT and AST, what actually are they?
Well, think of them as being locked away inside your liver cells. They're meant to be in there.
Okay, so they live inside the liver.
Right. But if the liver gets irritated or damaged, those cells can leak.
And the enzymes flood out into the blood.
Precisely. It's a direct signal that your liver might need a bit of attention.
So for all of us here in the UK, is there a specific normal range we should be aware of?
There is. The NHS defines a pretty clear normal box. For ALT, that's Alanine Aminotransferase, it's usually between 10 and 40.
10 and 40. And AST?
And AST, or Aspartate Aminotransferase, is very similar, usually somewhere between 5 and 40 IUL.
IUL, what does that stand for again?
Good question. It's just international units per liter. It's the standard way of measuring enzyme activity in your blood.
I see. And I suppose that can vary a bit.
Oh, absolutely. Things like your age, your gender, even your lifestyle can cause those numbers to move around a bit.
Okay, so that's what happens when they leak out. But what are they doing when the liver is actually happy and healthy?
They're a core part of your body's engine, a kind of cleaning crew.
A cleaning crew?
Yeah, they help your body break down food like fats and proteins. And they're also busy cleaning out bad substances from your system.
So if they're the cleaning crew, what overwhelms them? What makes those numbers spike, especially for people here in the UK?
A lot of it comes down to modern life. Alcohol is, of course, a big one. It's common in a lot of social settings and can directly damage the liver.
And I imagine diet plays a huge role.
A massive one. Eating too much high-fat, high-sugar food can lead to something called fatty liver disease. And that's often silent.
You don't feel it until it's quite advanced.
Exactly. And that's why monitoring is so important. We also see that stress, like work-related stress in our cities, can change how the liver functions.
So let's get to the big payoff. Why is it so good to keep these levels stable? We hear things like more energy or better well-being.
Well, it all comes down to how efficiently your body is cleaning itself.
Okay.
When your liver numbers are stable, it means the organ is working well. It's getting rid of waste products properly. If it's sluggish, that waste can build up and lead to, mental fog and tiredness.
So better cleaning means better mental clarity.
That's it. Stable levels mean a much lower risk of serious liver sickness, sure, but it also means your whole system is just running better.
So what are the practical steps we can take? What do groups like Blood Test UK and the NHS recommend?
The good news is that preventative steps really work. First is diet. Simply eating more healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, and cutting down on processed sugars.
Simple changes.
Very simple. Second is exercise. The aim is for about 150 minutes of moderate activity a week. That could just be a brisk walk in a local park.
That sounds manageable.
It really is. And the third, and maybe most crucial step, is monitoring. Regular checkups can catch any issues early when they're easiest to manage.
So checking your ALT and AST using those UK guidelines isn't just a number on a page.
Not at all,
It's
sir.
a really powerful step toward feeling healthier every single day.
It is. So since knowing those early signs is so vital, here's a little thought for you to take away this week. What is one small step? Just one thing you could do. Maybe adding a quick walk to your lunch break or swapping one sugary drink for water. Just think, what's one small change you can make this week to keep your internal cleaning crew happy and working well?